Hi, I'm Lynn from Pocketful of Paint, and today we're going to be taking this planter and turning it into a fun mobile for a baby's nursery. Before we get started, I would love to have you hit the subscribe button and like this video if you find it helpful. Also, don't forget to hit the bell, that way you'll be notified every time I post a new DIY video. Okay, so you're gonna need a few things for this project. You're gonna want leather, and I cut mine into 1-inch strips, 1 inch thick. You can cut it however long you want it to be. You're also gonna need a rotary mat and a rotary cutter. Some scissors will come in handy. You're gonna need a leather hole punch. You can find this almost at any crafting store or online. You're also gonna need to get some pliers. Needle nose pliers and regular pliers will come in handy. And then you're gonna need something to hang your leather from. That's what I'm using this pop for. If you can't find something fun like this, you can always just get an embroidery hoop, pop the center out, and you have a nice, pretty wood circle. Or you could use a metal hoop that you can find at craft stores or online. Let's get started. After I've cut my leather strips, I'm gonna use the hole punch and make little holes in each of the leather strips. I'm now going to open up my chain and connect the leather to the metal pot. I'm going to discard the silver piece and just use the metal frame.